Page 16, my new key. And on this page, they're introducing you to a thing called a key signature. You see, we've had time signatures. Those are the numbers at the beginning of the lines, the 4/4 and 3/4, time signature. Well, we also have a key signature. All right, because now key signature is one of the things we have to consider when we're looking the piece over. The first key they're going to introduce you to is F major. They're going to the F major position, and that simply means that the note F is the bottom note in your 5-finger position. But we have to be in the key of F major. F major has one flat. It's a B flat. It simply means all B's in the music are automatically going to be played as B flats instead of B naturals. Now remember, the flat sign goes down one note on the keyboard, white or black. So a B is here, so a B flat is going to be here. And in F position, you use the same finger for the B flat as for the white keys. Let's see. That's all. Let's see, up until now, they've all been white keys automatically. And if they wanted a flat, they had to put it in the music. Well, now, when you get to a B, you're automatically going to do B flat instead. All right. This is where you also get to learn some new notes in the music if you don't know them yet, because we've always been in C position. Well, F position is here. F, that means we're going to be using these other notes. So now you need to know the A and the B in the music and on the keyboard. I leave it up to you to know those. We're going to use them quite a bit, so just make sure you know the names of those notes in the music and on the key. Which keys are A and which keys are B. So let's look it over now. You got 2 lines of music total. You got a treble clef and a bass clef. And now we got to look at the key signature. You see the flats there at the beginning of the lines? And they're on a specific place. Because if a note, let's take the upper staff. If a note were on that middle line where that flat is, that is a B in the music. That's a B. It's a B above middle C. It's this B. And in the bottom staff, that line, the next to the bottom line, that is a B. That's this B, way down here. Middle C goes way down here. That's just where they put them, and they'll always be there. So if you see one flat in the key signature, automatically you just know it's a B flat. And it's not just that B flat, it's all B flats. Where they are. So in F position, we're here. Only when we put our hands on here, except for the B's, we're going to put B flats. So the F position is this, with the B flat. That's where you are automatically. And that's the position we're going to be in for a while. Getting out of C position, now we're in F position. All right, that's fine. We can handle that. So we have the key signature is F major. Just remember, it's F major. F major has one flat, it's a B flat. Just memorize it. Go over and over and over and over and over. Then the time signature is 4/4 time, so we're counting to 4. There's 4 counts in a measure, and we're counting quarter notes. Okay. And we look it over, we got a lot of quarter notes and half notes. No big deal. And there's a repeat sign. We're going to play it twice. You got 2 sets of words. If you're going to sing it, you got one for each of that. I don't do singing in the videos. I'll leave that up to you. Cover it one hand at a time. You see the first line is just the upper staff. That's right hand here. If you have to, go back to the drill. Say the note and play the note. Just drill yourself. So it's an F, G, A, B flat, C, 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 B flat, A, G, F, F, F. Left hand, same thing. F, G, A, B flat, C, C. Just go drill yourself on this until these notes are automatic to you. And that's really all this is. You're just playing this 5-finger position one hand at a time. All right. Well, I don't have a lot to say on them. They give you a forte. When you get something like this, just play it. Don't worry about how loud you're playing it. And both hands are the same. They're all melody. There's no accompaniment here. And words, as I said, that's up to you if you want to sing the words. Speed-wise, moderato's in the middle. So not fast or slow, it's whatever. Something like that? That's good. Let's play it together very slowly to double check the notes, make sure we got that in the rhythm. So, and we're going to do it twice because it is repeated, so I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Repeat. 3, 4. 3, 4.